Let's be real, being a teenager in 2025 is expensive. You've got clothes, gadgets, maybe even saving for college. But what if I told you there are side hustles right now that teens are using to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single month? Here are the top 7 best side hustles for teenagers in the US, 2025. Real, legal, and beginner friendly. Let's go. If you're good at math, English, or science, help other students. Teens are charging $15 to $30 an hour on platforms like Wisent, or even tutoring younger kids locally. Start by offering help to classmates or neighbors. Word spreads fast. You can literally turn your homework skills into money. Love animals? Apps like Rover let you walk dogs or pet sit for people in your neighborhood. You can make $20 per walk, and with a few regular clients, that's $200 plus a week just for spending time with pets. Plus, it's great exercise. Your wallet and your fitness win. If you can design, write, or edit videos, go on Fiverr or Upwork. Start small. Offer simple gigs for $10 to $20. Once you get reviews, you can raise your prices fast. In 2025, clients care about results, not age. If your work's good, you get paid. One of the easiest hustles: buy low, sell high. Go to thrift stores, yard sales, or Facebook Marketplace. Buy underpriced stuff, clean it, and resell it online. People are flipping sneakers, collectibles, even old electronics. Some teens are making $500 to $2,000 a month just by flipping. This is the ultimate passive hustle. Create and sell digital products like planners, templates, or digital art on Etsy or Gumroad. You make it once, and it keeps selling. Imagine making money while you sleep. Yes, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can be a side hustle, but treat it like a real business. Choose a niche, maybe study tips, budget hacks, or teen life in 2025. Stay consistent for 3 months. Post daily shorts. That's how small creators are getting sponsorships and views fast. This one's for business-minded teens. Use sites like Shopify or Depop to sell trending products. Find what's hot, like accessories, gadgets, or clothes, and resell with a markup. Just make sure you research and start small. Dropshipping is about smart testing. 2025 is the year of AI, and even teens can use it. Use ChatGPT for content ideas, Canva for design, or CapCut for auto editing. The smarter you use AI, the faster you scale your hustle. So there you go, 7 side hustles that teens in the US are crushing in 2025. You don't need a job to make money, just creativity, consistency, and a phone or laptop. If you found this helpful,